Let's talk about how to roll over your existing funds into a self-directed retirement account. I've got a creative way to illustrate the process to you, and at the end, I'll uncover a simple method that allows you to avoid paying the UBIT taxes we just talked about. By now, you're probably thinking about opening a self-directed IRA or maybe even a solo 401k or EQRP. But let's get started by looking at your existing accounts. If your retirement funds are held in a Roth or inherited IRA account, unfortunately, you're locked into these account types and you can only transition them into a self directed IRA. Personally, this is the situation I'm in, so I feel your pain if you're in this boat. On the other hand, if you have a traditional IRA or maybe a 401k of either Roth or traditional formats, or even a 403b or any other type of retirement vehicle, well, those funds are totally free to move. And as long as you're eligible, you can send them wherever you like, whether it's a 401k or EQRP, or even to a self directed IRA if you're not self employed. Now, let's touch on that last one. Maybe you're not earning self employment income and you can't qualify for a solo 401k to fully avoid taxes. How can you get around this? Well, luckily, there's a way. If you don't currently have self employment income, you can still go ahead and invest passively with a self directed IRA. As you'll find in our case study video, a self directed IRA is unlikely to incur any taxes in the first 3 to 4 years when passively investing. Now remember, unless your account is a Roth or an inherited IRA, you're never locked into the self directed IRA format. In kind rollovers, even when you're passively invested, are generally not overly complicated. So in the meantime, you can go out and earn self employment income and become eligible to open a solo 401k down the line. At that point, you can then move your asset over from an old self directed IRA over to a shiny new tax free solo 401k. And remember, the eligibility for a solo 401k is extremely low. You just need to be able to report at least $400 of self employment income for any year that the account is open. It can be something as simple as selling arts and crafts on Etsy or doing some consulting work on the side. And by doing this, this means you're able to invest first and achieve eligibility down the line. If you're able to do this before a sale, you'll avoid 100% of the impending taxes that will come with the associated capital gains. And when you join us for our case study video, you'll see that on a $100,000 investment, this could mean a tax savings of more than $30,000, all because you drove an Uber around town or you went into your attic and sold some of your old stuff. Come up with any way you can to generate just $400 in self employment income every year, and you'll save yourself a large tax burden when passively investing as a Main Street investor.